Hello everyone, welcome to Dynasty Kitchen. Today I'm continuing to share with you another yummy dish of jackfruit. I have shared before from number 1 to number 3. So today is number 4. Jackfruit smoothie. Very easy to make and everybody loves smoothie. So please join with me today. Number 4, jackfruit smoothie. This is jackfruit smoothie. It looks very yummy, very fresh, and it's very beautiful. Look how nice the color and taste is very delicious. After it's done, you can put back to the fridge. More cold, even more better. To make jackfruit smoothie, you can mix up with few other fruit you use to eat every day. Very simple ingredient. These are all the ingredients we're gonna use. We're gonna use fresh jackfruit, pineapple, mango, banana, and of course plain yogurt and a cup of ice. So let's make it. You put all together, all the fruit together. It's very simple. It's easy way you used to do it. Mix all together, and I will use about 3 tablespoons of the plain yogurt. You can use more if you like. Okay. For the ice, I will use about a cup of like this. Don't use water, don't have to, because we don't want to be too worried. Okay? So, close the lid. Press the smoothie button and just let it do it themselves. It takes about few minutes. So, after you put it in, you don't have to stand there and wait. Just let them, do it themselves, and then we just do some other thing. Come back in a few minutes. You have it done. For other kinds of the fruit, when you use it, just you can get straight from the frozen. If you buy the the frozen one, so it's more cold, even better. There we go. Now it's ready. Time to scoop it out and enjoy. You will have a nice, fresh, and yummy jackfruit smoothie. Very nice and very beautiful. Jackfruit smoothie, anyone? So yummy. You can put back in the fridge if you don't want to drink it right away, so it's more cold. Thank you very much for watching Dynasty Kitchen. This number 4 jackfruit smoothie. Continue with other dish I have shared before. Today is number 4. I hope you like my share today, and if you like, please give my video the thumbs up, and please try to do it. I know you will love it. It's very nice and fresh. Please watch out for my next video. Continue to sharing jackfruit 7 dishes. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to support Dynasty Kitchen, so I can share more yummy dishes. Next will be this number 5. Will be fried jackfruit sticky rice cake. Yummy, yummy. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.